Good morning, all. Welcome to NCA Academy. Today, we are going to see the calendars. Okay, we have already seen the introduction of calendars. So today we are going to solve few problems in calendars. Okay. So before that, shall we have a quick review on what is that? Quick revision on calendars. Do you people remember about calendars basics?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, you people remember about calendar basics?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, fine. Then I'll be asking questions to you, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
What is a calendar?
Okay.
What is a calendar? Yes, what is a calendar? Anyone?
Ma'am,
Yes, can you tell me?
ma'am, calendars will tell about the days, weeks, month, and year, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Calendar will say it measures, okay? Not says it measures a day, a week, a month, and a year. Very good. You're set in order, right? Very good. Yes. So from this, we have seen one problem. Do you remember this problem?
Yes,
Today is
Ma'am,
Monday,
yes,
after
ma'am.
7 days, it will be. If today is Monday, after 61 days. So in a day, we have seen that in a day we have 24 hours. In a day we have 24 hours. In a week we have 7 days, 24 hours. In a week we have 7 days. In a month we have 30 or 31 days. Right? 30 or 31 days. So in a year,
Ma'am, I'm having a doubt in last calendar class, ma'am.
what Kana? What doubt you have?
Ma'am, it is one question, ma'am.
It is on a question. We will be seeing more questions today, okay? You tell me when we are explaining about that question. I have the same questions. Fine?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. So based on leap year or not, it has 365 or 366 days, right?
Yes, ma'am.
365 or 366 days. 366 days. So anyone had doubt in this?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Yes. Can anyone solve this problem? So if today is Monday means after 61 days it will be what will be after 61 days? So in a week we have 7 days. If you divide this into 7, what you will be getting?
8 sevens are 50.
8?
7s are 56.
Yes, remaining how many days? 8 weeks
5.
and 5 days. We'll be getting 5 days, right?
Yes, ma'am.
If the 8th week that ends with Monday means next 5 days, how you will calculate? Then what will be the 5th day?
Ma'am,
Saturday,
can
ma'am.
you tell the answer?
Yes,
Saturday.
you can say the answer.
Saturday,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
Saturday, ma'am.
Yes. So Monday, then after 5 days, it will be Saturday. Okay. Yes. So everyone is clear with this, right?
Yes,
Jinu,
ma'am.
Nitishri, Panchavaktra, Yuvraj.
Yes, ma'am. Understood, ma'am.
Yes. Next, we have seen about the month. What is there in a month? Number of days in a month. And we have seen about ordinary year, leap year, how the 1 year is added to February, or how that 1 year, one day is been added to February. 1 day is been added to February in Alapato. Do you remember that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So for every 4 years, we are getting that. Why means that quarter day is been added, right?
Yes, ma'am.
That quarter day is being added. 1/4 of the day is being added in every year. So combining the three quarter days with that is the 6 hours. With that remaining hours, we are getting 1 day in the February, extra 1 day in February. That's why we are getting a leap year, right? Yes. Next, that is what the ordinary year we have 365 days, and in a leap year we'll be having 366 days. Okay.
Ma'am, I have a doubt in a question, ma'am. Today is Monday. After 369 days, 363 days, it will be. That is a question, ma'am. For this question also, how it will be Saturday coming, ma'am?
Take 360. How many days you said? 360?
363, ma'am.
363. Okay, fine. How many weeks are there? You want to divide this by 7, right?
Yes.
Yes. How many are there? Anyone? How many weeks are there? How many completed weeks? We want to know about the completed weeks.
No, ma'am.
51 weeks, ma'am.
51 weeks.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, 51 weeks means you're getting the remainder, right?
Ma'am, 51 weeks, 0.8. Ma'am, 6 days, ma'am.
6 days. So we'll solve here itself, okay? 5 sevens are 35. So remaining 1. This is not there, okay? So let's erase that. So we'll be you'll be adding the 3 here. So 3, 1 sevens are 7. Sorry, yes, 1 sevens are 7. So remaining will be having 6, right? Yes. So 6 days, 51 weeks and 6 days, right? 51 weeks and 6 days. Sorry, this is days, okay? 6 days. So then, what is the question? If today is Dhanashri?
Today is Monday, ma'am.
Okay, if today is Monday means? If today is Monday means?
I could not
What will be the
understand.
next day, right?
Sunday is the answer.
Yes, Sunday is the answer actually. Okay. Shall we move on to the next one?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, please explain one time, ma'am.
You want to explain? Okay, we are calculating how many completed weeks are there. Okay. So completed weeks now, 1 week days, right? 1 week equals 7 days. So evlo completed weeks irukku nama paakarom. For that you have given 1 day, right? Yes. So you have given how many days? After how many days you are getting the which day? You are asking about after how many days we are having which day, right? So the 365 days. After 365 days, what will be the next day? If today is Monday means. So we are calculating how many completed weeks are there. Okay. After calculating the completed weeks, we are going to say that after 51 weeks, we have 51 completed weeks along with 6 days. Okay. 51 completed weeks and 6 days. So 51 completed weeks means the next day will be, next it will start with Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Okay, so Saturday and Sunday. 6 days, no? Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. 6 days, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Next one. Yeah, we have the number of odd days. How we are calculating the number of odd days? Odd days எப்படி calculate பண்றோம்? How we are calculating the number of odd days? So in January, we have 31 days, right? In January, we have 31 days.
Yes.
So
Ma'am.
how many completed weeks are there? How many completed weeks are there?
Ma'am, 5, ma'am.
5? Is that we have 5
Oh,
completed weeks?
No,
Completed
ma'am.
weeks.
No.
Then how many weeks are
Completed
there?
week, no, ma'am.
Yes, how many
5
completed
and
weeks
then
are
5.
there?
4.
4 completed week, ma'am.
Completed weeks. Okay, 4. 7 fours are?
28.
7 was the 28,
Yes,
ma'am.
28. 28 completed weeks. Sorry, yes, 28 completed. That is the week. 4 completed weeks. We have 28. So how many is the remaining?
3, ma'am.
Yes, 3. 3 kana. How 2 will come? 3. That 3 is the odd day of January. Okay? That 3 is the odd day of January. Got it? So like that, we are calculating for each and every month. How many completed days is there? The remaining number of days will be odd day of that. Okay? Is that clear?
Yes,
Is that clear or what?
Yes, ma'am.
That no?
Clear, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Just give a minute. Okay.
Ma'am, can I tell Ma'am, can I
Wait,
tell the odd numbers for all?
yes, wait. Okay. Just wait. Who are there? Let me know who are there in the class. Yes, wait. I'll just see and take down the names. Fine. Bernard didn't come, right? Yes, Dia.
No, ma'am, you asked like who are there in the class. You told no, ma'am. That's why.
Okay, fine. 1, 2. Deva and Pancho late, right? You should be on time, okay? Hereafter. Yes. Shall we move to the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, we have seen this, right? Yes or what?
Yes,
You know
ma'am.
this? 100 years, like how many ordinary years and how many leap years?
Yes, ma'am.
This?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
You have seen this, right?
No, ma'am.
So for years, we can calculate, right? For centuries, how to calculate for centuries, okay? We're going to see how to calculate for centuries. So in
Can we see this question and we after we can go to century question, ma'am? Because you didn't do this question.
yes, Kana, we have completed till this.
Yes, ma'am.
We have seen this till this last class, okay? We have seen these questions in last class. That's why I just skipped it, okay? So next is after giving introduction only, I
Explain
begin on to
this
the
questions, ma'am. I could not understand that.
We
In
have
that
already
class,
seen this in the class.
ma'am, yes, ma'am. That time I'm not in the class, ma'am.
Yes, okay. Then you can watch the video. Okay.
Ma'am, I watched the video. Then only I could not understand it, ma'am.
Well, okay. Which problem you didn't understand? Let me explain this. Then we can explain the questions. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Then we can clarify the doubts. Fine. Next is about century years. So for ordinary years, we can able to calculate, right? 2004.
Yes.
2004 is a leap year or what?
Leap year, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. 2000.
4.
2000.
No, ma'am, it's not a leap year.
It's not a leap year. For
Ma'am,
every
it's
4
a
years.
leap year, ma'am.
Yes, for every 4 years we have leap year,
Yes,
right?
ma'am, it's a leap year.
Okay, fine. Then 1980.
1980. Oh. Ma'am, it is a leap year, ma'am. Leap year.
1990.
And leap year.
1990 is leap year.
No, ma'am. No, sorry.
Okay. So for century years and decades, that and all, we are going to calculate. Okay. 3000.
3000. Yes, ma'am. It's a leap year. Leap year, ma'am.
Is that leap year? 3000.
Yes, ma'am.
How?
Divided by 4.
Yes, divide by 4. What you will get? Is this divide by 4?
7 4s are 28.
Okay, 28.
Remaining 200.
Okay, 200.
5 4s are 20.
Okay, fine. Yes. So like this, few years. Okay, century years. 3000, 100, 3100. What can I?
It's not leap year, ma'am.
It's not leap year. 2000.
Ma'am, 3,100 is a leap year, ma'am.
2300.
Yes, ma'am.
2300.
Not a leap year. 2,300, no, ma'am.
3100.
No, ma'am.
3100. Check and tell me.
Ma'am, 3,100 is leap year.
Yes. 2300.
Leap year, ma'am. Leap year, ma'am. Leap year, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So like this, if it is leap year also, how many odd days are there? We don't know how many odd days are there. Okay. So that how many leap years are there in 100 years? How many leap years are there in 100 years? If you are taking a stretch of 100 years.
Ma'am, 20 years, ma'am.
We have 20 leap years. Is that so?
Ma'am, 24.
It's 24 leap years. Check it down. So how many for that you want to know how many numbers can be divided from 1 to 100. Okay, from 1 to 100. Take first we are taking 1 to 100. Okay, in that how many numbers are divisible by 4? How many numbers are being divisible by 4? What Kana?
Can you put in the board and tell me?
Yes. First you try, then I can.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, 25 is leap year, ma'am.
25 is 25 is leap year. I didn't get you.
No, ma'am, 24.
20. You are saying that 24 leap years. Sorry, 25 leap years. It is actually 24 leap years. Okay. So till 96 only. So if you take that 100, it will move on to the next.
No, ma'am, I asked 25, ma'am. For 25.
25. What 25? Just 25. You're asking just for 25?
25 is not a leap year.
25 is not a leap year. If it is divisible by 4, then it is a leap year. Okay. For every 4 years, we are getting the leap year. Right? We have 76 ordinary days, sorry, ordinary years and 24 leap years in 100 years. Okay, we have 76 ordinary years and 24 leap years for every 100 years, right?
Ma'am, can you tell us in easy way to find the years like that?
To find the leap year, if you take a
Ma'am, you told 100 years.
take the straight mean, I didn't get you, Kanna.
Ma'am, you told like 100 years is 24 leap years. In that
Yes.
way, how to find like 24 leap years like that?
Yes, how many years? How many 4 years? 4. You just split that into 4. How many 4 years are they? If you split that 100 into 4, okay, how many 4 years are they?
24.
How many 4 years are they? How many 4 years are there, Kanna? Tell me. It's 24. If you split that 100.
Yes, ma'am. I'm just confused in that one.
Okay, fine. So we have.
How to find that, ma'am?
How to find that? You just divide that. Okay, and why we are not considering that 25 is 25 நம்ம ஏன் கன்சிடர் பண்றது இல்ல அப்படினு பாத்தீங்கன்னா we have that first 4 yearsல வந்து 4th year தான் நம்மளுக்கு வந்து leap year, right? So we are, yes, so that only we are not considering that. And also if you take that 100th year, in that 100th year also we will be having that last one. Okay, so
yes,
that only we are not considering that.
Yes, ma'am, I confused in that one. Before 25 or 100 only it is there.
Yes. So after the 4th year only we are getting that one leap year, one day, right?
Yes, I mean 100 only it is like that or not in all.
So for every 100 years, I will let you know. Okay, I'll tell you. Okay. So we are going to see for 200, 300 and 400 years.
Okay.
So that it will be easy for you to understand what will come. At the same thing will be repeated for the next 500 years, 600 years, 700 years. Okay. If you know the first 400 years, it will be easy for you to understand the remaining years. Okay. It will come like 100. Okay. For 100, 200, 300, 400. Then again it will move on to, because 4 it's been completed. It's like a week it's been completed. Okay. I'll tell you that. Okay. After a week is been completed, we'll be having the same day, right? So 500 will come like this. Okay. 500, 6, 7, 800. Then again, it will be a completion of a week. Okay. That is, it consists of 7 odd days. So 7 odd days means a week, right? 7 days means a week, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So it will come to the next one. So again, 900 will come here. Okay. 900, 1000, like that. It goes on. Okay. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So we'll see like that. Okay. First, you know about the 100 years. Fine. So in 100 years, we have 76 ordinary years and 24 leap years. If it is 76 ordinary years, how many weeks are they? Totally, how many days will be there? Okay, fine. How many weeks will be there? Let me know that how many weeks will be there. In a year, we have 52 weeks, right? In an ordinary year, one ordinary year, we have 52 weeks. Yes or what?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, 52 weeks and one ordinary day, right? One odd day. 52 weeks and one odd day, right? So up to 76 now, how we will calculate? 76 into 52 weeks, right? Plus 76 odd days. Because in one ordinary year, we have one day. Okay? In one ordinary year, we have one odd day. Up to 76 ordinary years, na 76 odd days then.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Next is 24 leap years. 24 leap years, we have
24 into 52.
52 weeks. 52 weeks. In that also, we will be having 52 weeks and 2 odd days, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, 2 odd days because 1 day has been added, right?
Yes, ma'am.
That leap year 1 day has been added. February 29 has been added, right? So up 24 into 40 to 48. Sorry, 24 into 2, that is 48. Okay.
Oh,
Then
multiplying
48
that
odd days, right?
multiplying 2, we getting 40
Yes.
in that sense.
Yes. Got it? How this line comes? You people are clear with how this line comes?
Ma'am, once again, ma'am.
Once again, okay, fine. So in a year, ordinary year, okay, we have 52 weeks, right? In an ordinary year, we have 52 weeks and 1 odd day. That is 365 irukla kana? 365 day. 365 la how many weeks? How many completed weeks are there? We have 52 weeks and 1 odd day. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So that 1 odd day அப்படிங்கறத 76 ordinary yearsக்கு நம்ம calculate பண்றோம். அப்ப 76 odd days வருமா?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, that is what 76 odd days. So we are calculating for 76 years la எவ்வளவு weeks இருக்குன்னு calculate பண்றோம். Okay, that is what 76 into 52 weeks. We have 52 weeks, right? In a year we have 52 weeks. For 76 years, that is into 52 weeks. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Next is when you take leap year, you have same 52 weeks plus 2 odd days, right? 366 days. Correct? 366 days. So, அப்ப என்ன வரும்? 24 years into 52, that is 52 weeks, along with 24 into 2 odd days, right?
Yes,
24 எவ்வளவு odd days இருக்கு ஒரு இயருக்கு? 2 odd days. அப்ப 24 yearsக்கு நம்ம calculate பண்ணோம். Okay, 24 yearsக்கு calculate பண்ணா it is 48 odd days. Is this clear? This step is clear for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now we are just calculating this. Okay.
Explain one time, ma'am.
Explain one time. We have 76 ordinary years, and in 100 years, we have 76 ordinary years and 24 leap years. Okay, we have 76 ordinary years and 24 leap years. So அப்ப அதுல எவ்வளவு days இருக்கு நம்ம calculate பண்ணோம். So 1 week 1 yearல வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா we have 365 days. So அப்ப 365 days அப்படின்னா அதுல எவ்வளவு weeks இருக்கு? 52 weeks. 52 weeks plus 1 odd day. Okay, 52 weeks plus 1 odd day. Okay,
Ma'am, why
plus
we
1
are
odd
not
day. So, up 1 odd day.
One odd day, 53. Ma'am,
What can I?
why we are not calculating one?
Why we are not calculating 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, for that only I'm said, no? 76 ordinary years. Up 76 into 1. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, here நம்ம வந்து 24 leap years na எவ்வளவு odd days இருக்கும்? 2 odd days இருக்கும். அப்ப 24 into 2 நம்ம ஆட் பண்ணி தான மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணி தான நம்ம இங்க 78 odd days sorry 48 odd days போட்டுருக்கோம்.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
So like that 76 ordinary years how many odd days will be? It will multiplied by 1. 1 odd day இருக்கும்ல? 1 yearல 1 odd day இருக்கும்ல? So அந்த 1 odd day is be multiplied with 76. So directly அதனால தான் நான் டைரக்டா போட்டுருக்கோம். Okay? 76 odd days. இப்ப புரிஞ்சுதா? எப்படி 76 odd days? That one is 76 years இருக்கங்காடிக்கு நான் 76 odd days நம்ம போட்டுருக்கோம். Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, is this clear for everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Dhananya Shri, you understand this?
Ma'am?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. But you told 76 ordinary years. There is 76. There is 76 odd days. But why in 52 weeks there is only 1 odd day, ma'am?
Only 1 odd day means in 1 year we have 1 odd day. Okay? In 1 year we have 1 odd day. So, அப்ப 76 years na எவ்வளவு odd days இருக்கும்? 76 odd days இருக்கும்ல? That is what we did here. Okay? Yes, Madhu, you asked something?
Ma'am, how to calculate odd day for 1 year, ma'am?
1 year, yeah. Hey, we have seen this, right? We have seen this or not?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Yes, we have seen this.
Oh.
With the help of this one. with the help of this table. Wait, with the help of this table, we have calculated, right? I put a big calculation on that day, right? That
Oh, yes, ma'am.
took so much time. Oh, fine. So in month, we are calculating how many odd days are there, right? So that has been given in the slide. Yes, how many odd days are there? We have calculated, right? You know this calculation? You know this calculation,
Yes.
Madhu?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. So by calculating this, you can know the number of odd days in a month. In 65 days, how many completed weeks are there?
52, ma'am.
52 completed weeks. How many odd days are there?
One.
That one is the without a completed week, right? That one is the odd day.
Yes.
Okay. Is that clear? In January, we have 31 days. So in that, 4 completed weeks are there. So remaining, we have 3 days. That 3 is the odd day of January. Okay. At last, what will come means we have been calculating this, right? So these all will going to comprise some weeks. Okay. Is that clear? So idhula vandu completed weeks poga, the remaining irukradhu you will get only one. Okay. Calculate this. How many are there? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
29 or 30, ma'am.
What? 29 or 30?
30, ma'am.
How it will be? How you added?
I'm added by in orderly. I added, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Someone add this.
Ma'am,
And
33,
tell
ma'am.
me what is.
Ma'am, we should add this full, ma'am.
Yes, you should add this whole thing, and you want to take this one, either 0 or 1.
Oh, okay, ma'am. 30.
30. You're getting 30.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. How you took how many numbers? Whether you took 0 or 1.
1.
One. Okay, fine. Then 30, right? 1 means 30. Wait. Okay. 1 means it is a leap year, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Totally 30. How many completed weeks are there in this? 4 completed weeks, right?
Yes, ma'am.
4 completed weeks. And remaining, how many days are there? How many days are there?
Ma'am, we should, for finding this, how many weeks in a year means we should divide, ma'am.
How many weeks in a year means we have how many days? You know about, listen, Kana. Okay. So நம்மளுக்கு வந்து ஒரு மந்த் இல்ல அப்படின்னா ஒரு மந்த்ல எவ்வளவு டேஸ் இருக்கும் நம்மளுக்கு தெரியும் கரெக்டா? So if you don't know the exact calculation of how many days are there in a year means you can add all the month, okay, number of days in a month, and you can come to a conclusion of how many days are in a year. Okay, is this clear? Yes, who's that? Yes. இப்போ நம்மளுக்கு டேஸ் நம்பர் ஆஃப் டேஸ் இன் a year எவ்வளவு அப்படின்னு தெரியலன்னா நம்மளுக்கு நம்பர் ஆஃப் மந்த்ஸ்ல மந்த்ஸ்ல ஒரு மந்த்லயும் வந்துட்டு how many days are there we know that, right? So January 31, February, if it is ordinary year, we have only 28 days. If it is leap year, we'll be having 29 days. March will be having 31 days. April 30 days. May will be having 31 days. You know, right? So ஒரு மந்த்ல எவ்வளவு நம்பர் ஆஃப் டேஸ் இருக்கும்னு தெரியும்ல நமக்கு. So இது எல்லாத்தையுமே டோட்டல் சம் பண்ணீங்கன்னா you will be getting. Yes. Am I audible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I audible now? Yes. So இத நீங்க டோட்டல் பண்ணீங்கனாலே you will be getting 365 or 366 days. Okay? 365 or 366 days. Based on the how much you are adding. If you are added 1 day in February means that is a leap year, you will be getting 366 days. So based on this, you will be calculating. So here what we are doing is Divide how many weeks are there? Completed weeks means in a week we have 7 days, right?
Yes.
So totally we have 365 days. In a week we have 7 days means how you will be distributed? How to find the distribution? So 365 divided by
7.
divided by
7.
yes 7. What is the answer? What is the answer?
52, ma'am.
2.
Yes, 52 and 1 will be coming, right? 52
Yes,
and 1. Yes, that is what? 52 weeks and 1 odd day. Because why we are saying that odd day means it is not a completed week. Okay? We don't have a completed week. That's why we are saying that it is an odd day. Now, okay, listen here. So now, in this we have done with the odd days, right? We can calculate directly with 365. 365 you have 52 weeks and 1 odd day, right?
Yes, ma'am.
In 366 days,
2 odd days.
Two
yes,
odd days.
2 odd days.
2 odd days, ma'am.
Yes. How the 2 odd days came? How the 2 odd days? We can calculate by this also. Okay, but you want use a month also. Okay, month wise நீங்க வந்து odd days வந்து தெரிஞ்சு வச்சுக்கணும். Okay, so இப்போ நம்ம இந்த month wiseல நம்ம yearக்கு நம்ம கண்டுபிடிப்போம். Okay, இந்த month wise நம்ம வச்சிருக்கோம்ல, the month wise calculation is there for us, right? So இத வச்சு how this is been we are getting like this அப்படினு சொல்லி நம்ம பார்ப்போம். Okay, so இங்க வந்து நம்ம ஓவராலா நம்ம வச்சு ஓவராலா how many days னு வச்சு நம்ம 52 weeks and 1 odd day. Weeks and 2 days நம்ம yes or what? So இப்போ வந்து நம்ம என்ன பண்றோம்னா month வச்சு இது total number of days வச்சு பண்ணனும். So ஒரு மந்த்லயும் எவ்வளவு odd days இருக்கு அப்படிங்கறத வச்சு நம்ம இப்ப calculate பண்ண போறோம். So இப்போ நம்ம 1 வச்சு எடுத்தங்காட்டிக்கு that is leap year னு consider பண்ணங்காட்டிக்கு we got 4 weeks and 2 odd days, right? 2 days, right? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, that is being this is being divided by 7. So 4 times you'll get 28. Okay, remaining is 2, right? So this is for leap year. கிடைச்சிருச்சா? இது எல்லாமே சேர்ந்து 4 weeks ஆமாச்சு, right? இது எல்லாம் சேர்ந்து 4 weeks ஆ மாறிடுது. So sorry, yes, 4 weeks ஆ மாறிடுச்சு. 2 days remaining ஆ இருக்கு. அப்போ எல்லா odd days-யும் நம்ம ஒரு மந்த்ல இருக்க எல்லா odd days-யும் நம்ம calculate பண்ணோம்னா, right? 4 completed weeks இருக்கும். அது வந்து நம்மளோட ordinary daysல போய் அது ஜாயின் ஆயிரும். ஓகே, இந்த ரிமைனிங் இருக்க 2 odd days இருக்குல்ல, இது எப்பவுமே இருக்கும். ஓகே, லீப் இயரா இருந்தா 2 odd days எப்பவுமே இருக்கும். இப்போ இந்த 1 எல்லாமே calculate பண்ணா how much you will be getting? How many days? You will get 29 days, right?
Yes, yes,
Yes, that is a ordinary year. Ordinary yearல you will be getting 29, right? அப்ப 29 னா wait some point. Yes, 29 னா it is divided by 7. So 4 7s are 28. 28 remaining 1. So அப்போ 4 completed week வந்துரும். So that will be added to the ordinary days அப்படிங்கிறதுல add ஆயிடும். The remaining 1 day, that is what the year overall yearly will be getting that. Because நம்ம overall yearக்கு தானே நம்ம இங்க எல்லாத்தையும் சேர்த்து calculate பண்ணிருக்கோம், எல்லா odd days-யும். That is எல்லா monthல இருக்க odd days வச்சு calculate பண்ணிருக்கோம். So what will happen means this 4 weeks will be added to the remaining. நம்ம ordinary days னு வச்சிருக்கோம்ல, that it will go and add with that, and the remaining number of days will remain the same throughout the year. Okay, ஒரு yearக்கும் it will remain the same. Is there any doubt till now?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, it is confusing, ma'am. Read the video
If you
again.
have doubt means you know, so that I can tell you one time. What?
Ma'am, I'm having one
So
doubt.
actually, yes, can I tell me?
Ma'am, how to calculate a leap year in a century? 24 is coming, no, ma'am. That I can't understand, ma'am.
That you can't understand. Okay, let just tell me whether you have doubt till here. இது வரைக்கும் நம்ம இந்த month and year வெச்சு பார்த்ததுல do you have any doubts னா கேளுங்க.
No, ma'am.
No doubts for everyone. Is this clear?
Ma'am, in right side that only one time explain, ma'am.
Right side. You are asking this one.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. This is with the calculating of this kanna. Okay. So number of odd days எவ்வளோ இருக்கு அப்படின்னு சொல்லி நம்ம பார்த்தோம் கரெக்டா? You told me that you are going to say about number of odd days. Then if you are saying means you will know about what is the odd day and how many number of odd days are there in a month, right? So அதை வச்சு நம்ம calculate பண்ணிருக்கோம். You don't know about this division. You're asking about this division.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anyone? Can you explain the division?
Ma'am,
Yes.
can I?
Yes, Madhu. You can ask to Anup.
Ma'am, Diksha.
Yeah, she asked me first, right? Yes. So you can give explanation for first division. Ask for that remote control. Madhu?
Ma'am.
Yes, ask for that remote control.
Ma'am, I can't understand.
Yeah, you can explain me, no? For that, you can directly take my pointer, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. For that, the remote control is there, no? You can ask that.
Ma'am, I'm not having that. In my.
You're not having that. Wait.
Ma'am, just I will explain. You
Yes.
can self put, ma'am.
Okay, fine, Kana.
In ordinary day, in ordinary year, we have to or add the. In ordinary year, 52 weeks are there and 1 odd day is there. How means here in a month these odd days are there? No, that we have to add together. From that it will form 30 days. In a leap year means it will form 30 days. In ordinary year means it will form 29 days. So that in a year, in a week, 7 days are there. So we have to divide it by 7, both leap year and ordinary year. If we divide it by 7 means 4 sevens are 28. 4 sevens are 28. Ma'am, just we can do cancelling itself, ma'am. Not.
Yes. She doesn't understand that. That's why she asked me, no?
Okay, ma'am. In 7 table, 4 sevens are 28 will come. So 4 sevens are 28. Remaining is 2. In a leap year, 2 odd days are there. Remaining 2 is there. No, that is the odd day. And 4, the quotient is the week. In ordinary year, 29. 4 sevens are 28. In that also 4 sevens are 28. But remaining 1 only will come. So 1 is the odd day and 4 is the week.
Yes, ma'am. Clear, ma'am.
Clear? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Shall we move on to the next one?
Yes,
Actually,
ma'am.
this is not needed for you. Okay. Actually, this much is not needed for you, but still you want to know how we are calculating for ordinary
Ma'am,
years
doubt,
and
ma'am.
that is century years. Okay. Yes.
Ma'am, one doubt, ma'am.
Yes, Kana. What is the doubt?
Ma'am, that for 28, how would come, ma'am?
28. You're asking here. This one.
No, ma'am.
Hmm.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. 7 4, sir. What is the 7 into 4?
I'm 7. Okay, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. 28, ma'am.
7 into 4.
I'm 28.
Yes. You know this calculation? Take down first. Put in copy, take down first.
Okay, ma'am. Take it, ma'am.
Done? Yes.
No, ma'am, no. Ma'am.
Yes. Done? Yes, Kana, tell me.
Ma'am, I
Yes.
want to go to therapy class now.
Okay, fine. Take care.
Thank you.
Yes, shall we move on to the copy? Have you taken this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Others?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Ma'am,
Yes, Kana, tell me. Yes, tell me. Yes, Dhananyashri,
ma'am, what, ma'am?
you called me?
No, ma'am, no, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Shall we move on to the next one? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you people told me. Yes, you people
Ma'am,
told me. Yes.
ma'am, the question, ma'am, it's happened. So it's what? Before question, ma'am.
What? Which question?
Ma'am, this before question, ma'am. The centuries before question.
This one. We didn't see this actually. We have
Yes.
already seen these questions. Okay. Yes.
But I could not understand that, ma'am.
Okay, I'll explain you in the next class. Okay, I'll explain you in the next class. Just we complete the century and we can move on. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. So you told me that 300 and 100. Why 100 is not coming as a leap year, right? Why that 25 is not considered? But we have 25.
Ma'am, I told in 100 year 25
Yes,
leap
yes.
year.
25. Why that we are not considering that means, so for century years, we usually not consider. Why? In the sense that 11 minutes, okay? When you take that century years, that 0.25 days has been there, right? That 0.25 days is being added for each and every centuries, and it will be moved to the 400th year, okay? 400, for every 400 years only we'll be having that century, sorry, leap year, okay? So that's why we are not considering this 100th year. Even though the 100 is being divided, okay, divided by 4, we are not considering that. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. For example, if you take, yes, for example, if you take a, so what you said, 3100 is everything is leap year, right? 3100 is a leap year or not? I asked you and you said yes, leap year. You said few numbers as a leap year, right? So why those numbers? Okay, only few will come. What we consider is only few will come, not all. Okay, why means if you take 100th year, okay, if you take 100th year, the next number will be like next year, okay? In the next year, we will be having again that ordinary years days will be there, right? Again that ordinary days will be there, that 0.25 days, okay, that 0.25 days, which is which will be there in the ordinary year, that will we will calculating as a one whole leap year, right? One whole day, and that will be added to the leap year. Yes or no? So century years, now what will we doing means for every 100 years you will be taking that 0.25 days, and we will be calculated with the 400 for
Why
every
are we are taking the 0.5, ma'am?
why we are taking means for every ordinary year you will be having 0.25 days. Okay, 0.25 days இருக்கும். So that is what we
What
are
is
considering
by
that.
that, ma'am?
What is meant by that? Why tomorrow what you people are going to do is just go and revise the first one, that is the first calendar session. Okay, try to revise that and come. Yes, so we have been calculating, right?
I mean,
That
first I
point
will write clear, ma'am.
yes, Kanan?
Ma'am, I clear with all but the question.
Yes, can anyone tell me
only I could
how
not
that
clear,
get?
ma'am.
Okay, the question. Okay, fine. So why that 0.25 days? Anyone answer me? Why that 0.25 days?
Ma'am, which point?
It's a quarter day, ma'am.
Yes, the quarter day, how it has been added?
4, ma'am.
How it has been added? For every 4th year, right?
Yes.
Yes, that's why we are getting 366 days in a leap year. Is that clear?
Yes,
Yes, Dhananyashri, you asked me 0.25. That is not nothing but the quarter day.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Dhananyashri?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. The 25th day, that is the 25th is there, no? In the 100th year, we'll be having the 25th day, right? So that we will be not considering because it takes around 366.25 days only. That is 0.0075 days around. Okay. So that we are calculating for every 400 years, we'll be having 3 days. Okay. That will be added to that 400th year. And then only we are getting the leap year on 400th year. So century years அப்படின்னு எடுத்துட்டோம்னா that century years should be divided by 400. Okay, when you consider the century years, that century years should be divided by 400. Is this clear?
Ma'am, it is divided by 400 or in any number of 4, ma'am.
No, not ordinary years, that is remaining years, we can calculate it with 4. Okay, you can divide it, but you can calculate divide by 4. Century, when you take century, that must be divisible by 400. Okay, is this clear? So for that only we are giving the explanation. Okay, so in this, after calculating the number of weeks, you will be getting how many weeks and how many days is there. Okay, so total number of weeks, we are calculating this total number of weeks and total number of days. Okay, total number of days. So after that,
76 into 52 and 24 into 52, we get
52?
100, ma'am.
Yes, 76 and 24 is 100, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it shows multiply.
The
No,
76 and 24 is 100, right? In physical terms. What can I?
ma'am, it is telling to multiply, no, ma'am.
Yes, we have addition, right?
Oh, okay, okay.
Yes. So we are calculating that. So how many odd days we'll be getting? We have 5 odd days. You just do this calculation by today. Okay. You know this, right? You know this line, right? So calculate this and tell me tomorrow what you are getting. Okay. How many odd days? So when you take,
Ma'am, we want to add, ma'am.
yes, you want to add and tell me how many completed weeks are there and how many
Can you tell one time
days
how
are there.
to find
Okay.
the ordinary?
Anyhow, you will be getting 5. Yes, ma'am. What can I didn't get you.
Ma'am, can you tell one time how to find the ordinary years?
How to find the ordinary year? The ordinary year is nothing but we are just calculating how many leap year.
Normal year is called as, ma'am.
Yes, it is being divided by how many fours? How many fours we are getting in? For every 4 year, you are getting a leap year, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. If you remove that leap year, how many number of fours, divisible number of fours will be there in the 100?
Okay, ma'am. Okay,
Yes.
ma'am.
Don't consider 100 because for every 400 years only we are getting the leap year. Okay, not for every 100 years, because that 100th year will be added for 100, 200, 300. These will have 0.25 days, 0.25 days. That will be added to the 400th year. Okay.
Ma'am, I see the video and tomorrow I will ask any doubt mean I will tell ma'am.
Okay, Kanna. Okay, fine. Good. Yes, yes, Diya. Diksha, tell me.
Yes, ma'am. Like we should for finding the ordinary years, we should find the divisible 4.
Yes, yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. In that, if you divide means you can able to easily get the how many leap years are there, right?
Yes, ma'am. We can find the leap year easily, ma'am. In ordinary years only.
Yes, just subtract it from 100.
Okay,
The
ma'am.
remaining numbers, or else if the numbers, how many numbers are divisible by 4, the remaining numbers will be not divisible by 4, right? Yes or no? The remaining numbers, how many remaining numbers are there? There are 76 remaining numbers. Okay. Why we are not considering 100 means that will be for centuries. It will be like for every 400 years only. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Because that 100th year, 200th year, 300th year, 2.25 days will be added to the 400th year. Okay. So that's why we are not getting. Fine. Is this clear?
Yes,
So in this we have 5 odd days. And also see why we are not taking that. Okay, we have 5 odd days. When you take 200 years, we have 3 odd days. Okay. When you take 200 years, we have 3 odd days. When you take 300 years, it will be 1 odd day. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Why, ma'am? It is 300 years means there is 1 odd day.
300 years means you just calculate and see. Okay. I have given you sample calculation. No. Try to calculate this in this way. Okay. Try to calculate this way and see. Fine. How means you just try to calculate with this. I have given you, right? In your leisure time, you just calculate and see. Okay. Is that clear for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Don't want to do today itself. During your leisure time, you just calculate this. Okay. Yes. In 200 years, you'll be having 3 odd days. And in 300 years, you'll be having 1 odd day. And in 400 years, there will be 3 completed weeks. Okay. That is 21 days. That is the 3 completed weeks. Because these odd days will be added to that. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So that's why we are getting 0 odd days. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
In 400 years. Yes. So try to check this. Okay. Try to solve this and tell me tomorrow. Fine. Try to solve this and tell me tomorrow. So from tomorrow, you will be seeing calendars, a few questions on calendars. Okay. That is actually this thing. Okay. The century years will not be asked in your exam, but still you want to know about it. Okay. So if it is so means you must know about it. So that's why I have taken this topic. Okay. Century years வந்து உங்களுக்கு அதுல கேட்கல, பட் ஸ்டில் அதுல வந்து சப்போஸ் கேட்டாங்க அப்படின்னா, இப்போ ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் they may ask 400 years. ஓகே, இத வந்து நீங்க கால்குலேட் பண்ணிக்குவீங்க. இஃப் இட் இஸ் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி கொடுத்திருந்தாங்க அப்படின்னா, ஓகே 300th year என்ன அப்படின்னு சொல்லி கேட்டிருந்தாங்கன்னா, you should know, right? So whether it is a leap year or not. Okay. So these calculations illamiye we can say, okay, these calculations alla illamiye 100 years la we have 5 odd days. I can simply say like 100 days la we have 5 odd days, 200 years la we have 3 odd days, 300 years la we have 1 odd day. So total ella odd days you சேர்ந்து it will be 20 plus 1, that is a leap year. அது எப்படி calculate ஆகுது அப்படிங்கறத சொல்லி I can explain you, I can say in simple ways. Okay, simple terms. but you want to know the in detail why, how many odd days is coming. Okay, yeah, and the odd days evlo yen eppadi varudhu you want to know. Fine. So it may be feel like confusing one first time. For the first time, you may feel like it is a confusing one, right? So when you practice on this, it will be easy for you. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
When you're doing your problems, you don't want to do this calculation and all. Chariya? Don't want to do this calculation and all. You just remember that 100 years la 5 odd days. Okay, that is enough. Okay, for your exam point of view and for your understanding only. And the 5 odd days எப்படி வந்துச்சுன்னு நம்மளுக்கு தெரியணும் இல்லையா? Yes or no? அந்த 5 odd days எப்படி வந்துச்சுன்னு நம்மளுக்கு தெரியணும். So அதுக்காக தான் நான் இந்த explanation பண்றேன். This is actually don't need, but you people want to know. I feel that you people want to know. Yeah? So try to check it one more time. Okay, try to check it and try to revise and come tomorrow. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Is this boring?
No, ma'am.
Yes. Or else it's confusing somewhat, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So when you actually உங்களுக்கு வந்துட்டு 100 yearsனா 5 odd days இருந்தா 5 odd days. Okay, 200 daysனா 3 odd days, 300 daysனா 1 odd.
That's all, no, ma'am.
என்னக்கண்ணா?
Remember this.
Yes, that's it. That's enough. Okay, நீங்க இந்த 200 yearsனா 3 odd days, 300 yearsனா 1 odd day அப்படி நீங்க ரிமெம்பர் பண்ணாலே போதும். ஓகேவா? But you want to know இது எப்படி இந்த odd day 3 odd days ni எப்படி இந்த இயர்ல வந்துச்சு, 5 odd days ni எப்படி இந்த இயர்ல வந்துச்சுன்னு உங்களுக்கு தெரியணும் இல்லையா? அதுக்காக தான் இந்த explanation. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
ஏன் நம்ம இத பாக்குறோம்னு you should know the reason. And also maybe in your question they may ask like 300 yearsல என்ன இருக்கு அப்படினு சொல்லி கேட்டாங்கன்னா you should know. For century years, it should be divided by 4. That is enough. You don't want such explanation. Okay? No one will give such explanation. Fine? So, நம்மளுக்கு இவ்வளவு பெரிய explanation எல்லாம் வேண்டாம். But still, you should know. எப்படி அது வந்துச்சுன்னு ஏதாவது example suppose they are asking, or else if someone is, you are going for an interview and they are asking about how many that odd days will come அப்படின்னு சொல்லி கேட்டாங்கன்னா you should odd days. There may be interview question like you solve this problem, no, how would the odd days come அப்படின்னு சொல்லி கேட்கிறப்போ நீங்க வந்து explain பண்றதுக்கு ரெடியா இருக்கணும். Okay, for your interview purpose and all it will be very useful. Yes, so try to read this, try this and come tomorrow for 200 years and 300 years also. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. So always a century. Okay, always a century will be divisible by 400. Okay, and the century which has been divisible by 400, that will have 0 odd days. Okay, that will have 0 odd days. Got it? Always a century will be divisible by 400, not 4. Century years are na, the 400 la da divide ஆயிடும். Now you understand why that 3100 is not a leap year?
Yes, ma'am.
So 2000 is a leap year. Okay, so 400 na 400 la divisible ஆகணும். Okay, the number century years எடுக்கிறப்போ that should be divisible by 400. In that year we don't want to find the odd days. Okay. Yes. So why we want to know this means, okay, why we want to know this means, so there may be a question like 2000, okay, 2000 March 1st 2000 is March 1st 2000, sorry, Jan 1st 2000. Take Jan 1st 2000 is Monday. Okay, what is Jan 1st 2001? 2001. Okay, or else there may be questions like Jan 1st 2000 is a Monday. Okay, Jan 1st 2008, or else 2012. They may ask like this. Okay, 2012, or else they may ask like 100 years also. Okay, so you should know, for that calculation you should know about that whether this century year is divisible by 4 or not. Sorry, 400. Okay, so on the time la idu 400 divide ana mattumda. If it is 1900 sorry 19 years 1900, that is 1900 அப்படின்னு கொடுத்திருந்தாங்க. So Jan 1st 1900 is a leap year. If they are asking the next year what is the day, it means you should know whether it is a leap year or not. Then when we can able to calculate in February la evlo days நம்ம போட முடியும். கரெக்ட்டா? பிப்ரவரியில எவ்வளவு டேஸ் வருதுன்னு போட முடியும். அந்த பிப்ரவரியில 1 day போடுறதுக்காக தான் இந்த calculation. Okay, whether we want to put February 1 day add பண்ணுமா இல்லையாங்கிறது தான் இந்த calculation. Fine. So in ordinary year we have 1 odd day. Leap year we will be having 2 odd days. Okay, so take down this tabulation alone. Okay, take down this tabulation alone. In ordinary year we have 1 odd day. In a leap year we have 2 odd days. In 100 years we have 5 odd days. 200 years we have 3 odd days. So 300 years we have 1 odd day. 400 years we have 0 odd days. So again 500 will have 5 odd days. Okay, 600 will have 3 odd days. 700 will have 700 will have 1 odd day. And 800 will have 0 odd days. Okay, like that it goes on, because every divisible of 4 is being taken, right? 400 is being taken, right? So 500, 600, 700, 800. So again, what will be the next leap year in 100 years, the century years? Century years la next leap year எப்ப வரும்? Yes, tell me, century years la எப்ப leap year வரும் next?
Ma'am, 800, ma'am.
800, yes, 800 சொல்லியாச்சு. Next 800 க்கு அப்புறம்
12, ma'am.
1200. Okay,
1000. Okay, ma'am.
yes. So is this clear? எப்படி வருதுன்னு?
Yes, ma'am.
So this tabulation is for you. Okay, so tomorrow you do this calculation. If not tomorrow, when you have free time, do this calculation, and we will see this calculation part in the revision class. Okay, revision class la நம்ம இந்த calculation நம்ம பார்க்கலாம். Okay, so you just know about this tabulation alone. Is this fine? Yes. Is this tabulation is clear for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. How the next for ordinary year and leap year, if it is a leap year, means it should be divisible by 4. For century years it should be divisible by 400. Okay, that is the key thing over here. Okay vakana, புரிஞ்சுதா எல்லாருக்கும்?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, fine. Okay, tomorrow we will see the few problems, and Dhananyashri, you can tell me, yes, she is there or not? She is not there.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, she is there. Yes, Dhananyashri, tomorrow you ask me the doubts. Okay,
Ma'am, I will
Okay, ma'am.
also ask you.
okay, tomorrow you people can ask me the doubts. Fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. So if you have copied, means let me know so that we can wind up the class. Okay. Yes. Priyadashini.
Ma'am.
Yes. Yuvraj, is that clear?
Ma'am.
Yes, Priyadashini. Is sir is there kanna? Illa class mudichikalama kanna?
Minute, ma'am.
Okay.
மேம் தேவா 2 நாளா தூங்கிட்டே இருக்காங்க மேடம்.
Deva.
நைட் ஃபுல்லா டிவி பாக்குறாரு, சொன்னா கேட்க மாட்டேங்கிறாரு.
அப்படிங்களா? ஸ்கூல் லீவா தேவா உங்களுக்கு?
Ma'am, no, ma'am.
நோ. அப்புறம் ஏன் தூங்குறீங்க? தூங்கிட்டே இருக்கீங்களாமா?
Ma'am,
yes.
இன்னைக்கு எனக்கு ஸ்கூல் லீவ் மேம்.
Okay, fine. So அதனால தூக்கமா?
இப்ப வரல கிளாஸ் கவனிக்கல மேடம், தூங்கிட்டு தான் இருந்தாரு.
கவனிக்கலையா தேவா?
மேம் கவனிச்சேன் மேம்.
நேத்தும் கவனிக்கல, இன்னைக்கும் கவனிக்கல.
Okay. நேத்து கிளாஸ் இருந்துச்சா? Yes. கவனிக்கல தேவா? What we took yesterday, Deva? Tell me.
கவனிச்சேன் மேம்.
Yes, what we see in the class, Deva? Tell me. நேத்து நம்ம என்ன பார்த்தோம்? Yeah, Deva answered me, right? Yesterday Deva answered, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Deva கவனிச்சிட்டு தான் இருக்காங்க sir. I'll support you, Deva, okay? Hereafter you should not sleep also. Okay? You should listen the class.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. Everyone completed this one, this tabulation? So tomorrow we can see. Yes, ma'am?
ஓகே மா மூவின் பேசணும்னு சொன்னாமா.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Yes, Movin. Good morning.
Sorry, Miss.
Movin, நீங்க பேசுறது சரியா கேட்கல Movin.
ஸ்கூலுக்கு போனதால மிஸ் வரல. ஸ்கூலுக்கு போயிட்டு அதனால வாவர்க் அதிகமா தந்தனால நான் கிளாஸ்க்கு வராம எழுதிருந்த மிஸ்.
அப்படியா? சரி சரி சரி. நீங்க அந்த கிளாக் எல்லாம் போட்டீங்களா? உங்களுக்கு ஈஸியா இருந்ததா போடுறது? கிளாக் எல்லாம் கொடுத்த? நான் உங்களுக்கு ஸ்டோரி எல்லாம் உங்களுக்கு நான் அனுப்புறேன், நீங்க அது பண்ணுங்க சரியா? அந்த ஸ்டோரி எல்லாம் ரீட் பண்ணி பாருங்க. ஓகேவா மூவின்? சரி, ஓகே ஃபைன். ஓகே, is there any doubt till now? சோ உங்களுக்கு வந்து அந்த லீப் இயர் அந்த 100 இயர்ஸ்ல வந்து எவ்வளவு ஆட் டேஸ் இருக்குங்கறத கால்குலேஷன்ல மேபி டவுட் மேபி தேர். ஓகே, சோ அந்த டவுட்ஸ் எல்லாம் நம்ம வந்து we will see in the revision class. Again we can try to explain that and we will see that explanation in the revision class. But exam point of view ல நமக்கு இது மட்டும் நம்ம ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நம்ம இத பார்த்து இதோட ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் நம்ம பார்த்தறலாம். ஓகே
Ma'am,
shall we do like that? Yes, yes, Kana, tell me.
ma'am, for leap year we have to divide it by 4. For century years we have to divide it by 400. You told no, ma'am. That
Yes.
alone once again, ma'am.
Yes, that's right one.
For finding leap year